Hello!
Hello,
Happy
everyone.
Thursday, guys. Right? Thursday?
Yes, it is Thursday, and it's 10 minutes to 3 o'clock.
Oh, wow. And it's very
Yes.
cloudy in our country.
Yes, how's everyone doing? Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever parts of the world you are watching from. Yes, and hope everyone is doing well, and thank you very much to my new followers. And for all those who don't know me yet, I'm Roselle, the person behind my business page, and this is my son.
I'm Kirsten. Welcome.
Yeah, and we are both business owners
Today is day 73
of
of
the
the
90-day
90-day
challenge.
We're just gonna talk to you about our community
Upcoming
plans,
plans and events.
So the first thing is in Ireland, in our group.
It's not really in our group, it's a global,
Well,
in our place, but
in our country.
in our country, it's not, yeah.
There's a few meetups. One in Limerick.
Yes, in July.
In July, they're booking
A hotel, yeah.
A hotel, guys. Imagine that with a full course meals and everything.
And we have also the shirts for.
Oh, they're also designing shirts for the meetup for remembering
that day.
That upcoming day.
It's called Go and Meet.
Yes.
Go and meet up. Yes, so those business owners, they are not from our team only.
They're from other people.
They're from other, team.
But we met up this March last.
Yeah.
And did a community.
Yes.
We did a mini community day last March.
And so we decided to meet up again in July in Limerick. Because before it was in Dublin, but now it's in Limerick. So people around Ireland can meet up in different places. And so that's the one. And we also have lots of meeting happening. Zoom meetings. It's online, yeah. So it's always every week, every Friday and Saturday, and we also have this what is this meet up with, aside from Ireland, since this business is global.
There's a
yes, there's also,
they like to travel and meet up with other business groups in our community. Because there's a lot.
Yeah, they go to Mexico or to Dubai or wherever there are business owners. So to share
just to see each other.
Meet up,
to do some masterminds, strategies to be better, or just remind each other, that this is how to grow.
Yes. So aside from getting to know each other, so we also have a learning.
We're getting insights on very successful people's life.
Yeah. And aside from that, we also have this regular bi-monthly Zoom meeting from our team.
The Europe Zoom meeting, right?
Yeah, it's just once, I think. There are the bi-monthly from our team only, and then there is a European mastermind once every month. And then there's also law of attraction from our team every few weeks, maybe 2 weeks, two times a month. And
every Friday,
yes,
there's this
there's a
meeting
meeting for
strategies.
Yes.
So yeah, there's a lot of things going on.
Yeah, it's
you get busy.
Going. it's going every week, and not only once a week. So it's just our global community has this every Wednesday business owner mastermind.
Many different speakers.
Yes, from around the world are sharing their success stories and knowledge in order for the business owners
to
grow, be successful in this business. And
the biggest
one, oh my goodness, this is very exciting.
We have a
huge event coming in June. Next 2 more weeks or 3.
It's the
third week of June. So people from around the world is going to gather and do this giant convention
of all business owners.
But
it's limited.
It is limited, yes. There's tickets.
There's too many of us.
Yeah. So yeah.
It's gonna be held in the amazing country of Japan.
Yes. So you see, our global business community is growing really fast. That's why each group has its own plans and events and meetings going on. So each and every one of us will be successful.
Yeah, there's thousands. We don't know everyone. Yes. So there's probably thousands happening.
That's why it's really good in this business. We are really supporting each other to be successful. You just need to be coachable and willing to learn and attend those meetings. Yes. So, yeah. I'm just really grateful. We're really grateful that we are in this business because we have a supportive global community that's helping us on our journey. So I hope, guys, if you really want to start your own business like this, you can register on our link. It's Thursday today. We have a live webinar coming up at 1 a.m. UK time and 8 a.m. Philippine time, and I think it's 5 p.m. MST. So maybe you can check this out because you'll never be alone in this business.
And you're not losing.
Yes.
You're gaining knowledge.
So you can sign up on our link to watch our free information session on my link, www.rosellampilocchio.com. Link is on my bio.
My link is www.kirstenampilocchio.com.
Yes.
You'll find my link in my page.
Yes, and once you sign up, you will receive an email for the link to watch our live webinar, but you can also watch the replay of it if you want, if you are not free. So guys, thank you for watching, and hopefully to see you in the inside, and hope you're having a lovely Thursday. See you guys. Bye. Bye.